Hello everyone, welcome to watch my channel. Here you will see Chinese cars on display. 2022 HiPhi Z. HiPhi Z is the second model of Gauha. HiPhi Z styling is very futuristic. The body has a surround ISD light group, NT double door, AGS active air intake grille, rear active spoiler tail, 22-inch wheels. Absolutely futuristic in the current production models. Assisted driving, HiPhi Z deployment. 2 front-facing 8 million pixel high-definition cameras, 5mm wave radars, 1 LiDAR and 4 side-pointing cameras, cooperate with high-precision map. The driving system AI computing platform is equipped with a new generation of NVIDIA Drive Orin X chips with ultra-high computing power. More than 95% of the mass production content of HiPhi Z has been locked. It will be unveiled and pre-ordered during the Beijing Auto Show in April next year. No other relevant information. More Chinese cars, subscribe to my channel.